Shakespeare criticism. Shakespearean criticism refers to the scholarly analysis and interpretation of William Shakespeare's plays and poetry over the centuries. It explores his literary style, themes, characters, dramatic techniques, and influence on literature. 1. Early criticism. 17th century. During Shakespeare's own time, critics paid little scholarly attention to his work. Ben Jonson, his contemporary, praised his natural wit and called him not of an age but for all time. 2. Neoclassical criticism. 18th century. Critics like John Dryden and Alexander Pope admired Shakespeare's genius but criticized his lack of order and classical form. They found his style irregular and his plots violating the classical unities of time, place, and action. 3. Samuel Johnson's contribution. Johnson's preface to Shakespeare, 1765, is a landmark. He defended Shakespeare for representing real human nature, blending comedy and tragedy, and creating universal characters. He admitted some faults but admired Shakespeare's moral and emotional truth. 4. Romantic criticism. 19th century. Critics like Coleridge, Hazlitt, and Lamb praised Shakespeare's imagination, deep characters, and poetic genius. Coleridge focused on psychological depth, especially in characters like Hamlet. They saw Shakespeare as a prophet of human nature. 5. Victorian and formalist views. Scholars focused on moral lessons, character analysis, and structure. Characters like Macbeth, Lear, and Othello were studied as moral and tragic figures. Critics valued his sense of poetic justice and dramatic balance. 6. 20th century criticism. New approaches. New criticism emphasized close reading and the text itself, not the author. Historical and cultural critics explored the Elizabethan worldview in his plays. Freudian, feminist, and Marxist critics analyzed Shakespeare's works through new lenses. Freud explored unconscious motives in characters. Feminists studied gender roles in characters like Lady Macbeth and Ophelia. Marxists focused on power, class conflict, and politics. 7. Modern and postmodern criticism. Postmodern critics challenge fixed meanings in Shakespeare's plays. Themes like identity, illusion, and authority are reinterpreted for modern audiences. His works are seen as open to many meanings and contexts. Conclusion. Shakespearean criticism has evolved from moral judgment to deep literary, psychological, and political analysis. His works remain central to global literary studies, interpreted in new ways by each generation.